take the opportunity to call upon our chief guest, Dr. Rajendra S. Shukla, our guest of honor, Guru Kalavati Devi, Ms. Meenakshi Birla, Professor Dipali Singhi, and Dr. J.N. Mukhopadhyay to inaugurate the program by kindling the lamp.
Today, we at JDBI organize this annual show every year to commemorate the success of our students. That the entire planning and construction of all the costumes and accessories worn by the participants today have been done by the students of the Textile Science, Clothing and Fashion Studies Department.
I consider this a privilege to be here on this occasion. Generally, as you know, we are so busy with doing the routine work. We really don't get time to go out and see the fruits of the work that we do sit in our offices. These are the kinds of institutes that we are trying to really, through our small efforts in the government, to support across the state and of course when you work in the government of India across the country. You will be doing great service not only to yourself, to your motherland, to this country and the nation. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों।
And unnoticed time flies. One more year has been added to the glorious saga of J.D. Birla Institute.
J.D. Birla Institute Departments of Science and Commerce is being presented to you by the students and staff of our college. We are extremely honored to have with us the renowned actor, director, producer and television personality Shri Prarambroto Chatterjee as our chief guest. We welcome you, sir. We are also privileged to have amongst us Ms. Meenakshi Birla and other members of our governing body, Brigadier V.N. Chaturvedi, Secretary General of Vidya Mandir Society, Mr. Banerjee, Deputy Secretary General, Vidya Mandir Society, and other eminent dignitaries. Today, we are going to acknowledge the academic achievements of our students in their respective areas of expertise, and at the same time, this evening is also packed with musical and dance performances by our beloved students.
That while you are in college, these really are the best days of your life. Really, those were the best days of my life, as Bryan Adams had said at some point in time. So,
we took up this opportunity to give award to such a candidate who has shown remarkable performance throughout the 3 years of the study.
I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our honorable guests for attending the event today. I thank our college management and our principal who has always guided and motivated us. The show would not have been possible without their continuous support. I thank all those who are present here for their gracious presence. I hope you all enjoyed the show. Thank you.